We are pleased to show you the 2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.